Oh, you caught one!
Welcome as a car toy.
Are we going fishing today?
Yeah.
Look at all these cool fish. What's your favorite?
The red one, cause it's the biggest.
And there's our bait. Little ball. Let's open it up and go fishing. Here's all the fish, and there's the fishing rod. Ooh, cool. All right, let's go catch some fish. Throw the fish out. Oh, you almost got it. He's getting away. Oh, you caught one. We got one fish.
I'm gonna cut it for dinner.
You gotta pull up slowly. We got the big fish. Good job. I'm gonna get this little guy. Did I get him?
Yeah.
Come on, fish, you're coming with me.
Yeah. It's still hit it right here.
Oh, yes. Fish number 4. Lower the rod.
Dinner time.
Here you go, chef. Put them all in. Now turn the heat up. Put some salt and pepper in there. Stir it all up.
Yummy.
Smells delicious. Tastes good?
Yummy fish.
I'll take the red one.
Take the green.
Let's see how they taste. Mmm. Great job, chef.
And I'll show you the tail.
There's the small ones. Yes, you got it. Here, I got it. Oh, no! I got it, Elise. Yes! Caught the goldfish. Where's the other fish at? There he is. Got him! Oh, he's fighting back! Oh, no! Get out of here! Do 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 do. Let's go fishing.
You got one.
I got it.
Got it, got it,
Got it. Reel it in.
Roll it in, roll it in, roll it in. Right here.
Oh, got his pink nose. Got the blue fish. Got him.
Hey,
Yes.
do you want to know what's funny?
What's funny? What? No, not my fish. I just caught them all. How rude. Let's go fish for some kid. Ugh. I got you.
This one.
Don't you dare do it again. What are you doing? That's my dinner. That's your dinner too. Joke's on you.